We're going bushwalking again, and I've got the little Berkley power bait. It's a Pro Grub series. That colour is called Bleak. They're 3 inches. There's 10 in a packet. These things swim absolutely awesome. So they're a power bait. And then I've got with me the little Abu Garcia Roxani 2000, 6-pound braid, 14-pound leader. That's Berkley Vanish leader. And just down to a little number 2 hook. And a Barra 2 to 4 kilos, 7 foot. So at the moment there's a lot of little Barra just mooched up in the one little spot. And this little thing is going to get absolutely inhaled. Let's do it. This one's on that little Pro Grub in the power bait. Well, 3 inches, only a smaller Barra this one, but pretty cool jump. There is crocs in this little part here, so I'm being a bit jumpy. There's some bubbles. I don't know if they're all from this bloke. Yeah, some... Oh, easy, just threw that lure then. There's there the little Gulp Pro Grub in 3-inch size. I'm just on Barra here up in the north. I'm in Townsville right now. Pop that hook out and we'll just throw him straight back. Oh, beautiful. I'm just going to let this flathead go here now. He's about, I suppose 45 or 47 or something like that. There he's there. Off you go, mate. There's a lure there. There's a fair bit of stuff actually happening off here at the moment. Hooked up a nice little Barra here on the little Roxani 2000 and the Barra 2 to 4 and a 60mm Berkley fizzer, which they call the spin bomb. Say light gear, 6-pound braid, 14-pound leader. Not a real big fish, but goes pretty hard on this. Up. Pretty cool little fish. There's very well conditioned fish in here. There's there. See, he's got a little bit of abrasion on his tail there. He must have been sort of swimming through the rocks and all that type of thing. Yeah, cool fish. There's that lure in the corner of his jaw there. Alright, I'll let this one go. I'll need a pair of pliers in a minute. God, those hooks going well. Oh, there she's out. Alright. a bit. Sweet. There he is. Ready to go. And a pretty cool little fish. Off he goes. Sweet. Another one on here. Just on that Berkley fizzer again. I don't know what size this one is, but he smashed it pretty hard. Not a bad size by the feels of it. Oh, he's got a bit more balls than the other one. Just try and load the rod to the side like this just to get the hooks to hopefully sink a little bit deeper. Seems to work with me with all the light gear and that I use. There you go. Not a bad jump. Fighting well, this one. He's a bit better fish than the other one. Yeah, it'd be a 60 centimetre or something like that. Quite well in here at the moment. They're really chromed up. Still trying to shake that hook. Get his head up here, I'll be right. Thinks he's a giant herring, this one just doesn't want to give up. Oh, there he goes, just about got him. Oh, he's not a bad fish. There you go. Oh, he's a nice little fish. There it is there on that Berkley fizzer there. Bring that camera down a bit so you can see him. There he is. Okay. It's that little silver spin bomb, 60mm there hanging out of the top of his mouth. Sweet as. Nice little fish. As I say, they're very chromed up in here at the moment. Beautiful looking fish in here. Alright, I'll take the looks out of this one. The reason why I haven't got the pliers with me is because my bag's actually over the other side. And yeah, it's got the pliers in there, so let this one go. This is about the size that I thought they were last night, probably that sort of 70 centimetre size. Hooked about 6 of them, or they hit about 6 or 7 times on the fizzer last night and just couldn't get one, so tonight's just a little bit different and using the lighter gear, and they seem to be hooking up. I'll let that one go. There he is. Off he goes. Slightly bigger tides at the moment, so that's why they've come up in here and feeding a bit harder than what they normally would.